Nice.
Thank you. About poop my pants on my foot.
We're doing some measurements for her today. I just measured my father, so. All right, so we're gonna do the neck.
Always stay relaxed. Make sure you get the stuff you're supposed to get.
Why are you smelling yourself? I just got that. You're like,
I'm sweating every.
Why are you sweating? We haven't even worked out.
All of this.
Probably because her heart's about
All of this?
All of this stuff up in there.
I can't measure you when you do. Can you please quit moving?
Oh.
You know what? We're just going with it. That's. Yep. How you feeling?
No. I don't think there's an explanation. I think I have heat exhaustion.
We worked out hard. We ran every stop sign. We did some strength.
Yep, we did like push-ups, squats. What were the
Lots of push-ups. Lots of
burpees? We did lots of burpees.
Yeah. I mean, I can't even remember. How come you're not all hot and sweaty like Aunt Dee and I are?
Oh yeah, tell them the truth.
Huh? You did the strength training with us, but what'd you do? You were on your bike.
You were on
We had to keep up with you on your bike.
Yeah, we did.
So, how long has it been since we finished? Nice.
What, 45
minutes or something? We're still like beet red.
I am absolutely dead. Can you
Good.
please
It was good.
do that again? I can't do it. Oh.